work just has to get finished today. Whew, alright, time for a quick break.
Yes, now's my chance for computer access on Mom's computer. Wait, why isn't this working? Maybe I need to press one of these buttons.
Huh? Did the door to our cell just open?
Oh no! I totally messed up! No! How do I shut that gate?
Alright, good luck with your escape.
It was an accident! I don't want to be in prison! Oh, hey! That light's pretty bright! Oh, hey there. You're looking pretty nice in that uniform.
What do you think? Wanna get out of here? What do you think about a date? Hey, what's going on over here? Oh, no. Let me show you the truth. There, you see? This is what he really looks like. Yikes! Ew, that's not right. Let's try again.
Wait, what happened to me? Ah!
This is so weird.
Mom, stop! I'm a hardened criminal.
Oh, Pshaw, no you're not. You're Mommy's good boy. What the heck? This is just... Listen, let me just take this photo. Oh my gosh, don't forget to smile, my sweet baby.
Ugh, Mom, stop! Get out of here!
Yeah, I'm done with this. Time for meal delivery. Oh, this should remain closed.
Yes, time for some food. I'm starving.
Ugh, fine. Let me dish you up, I guess.
Ugh, that looks so disgusting. I can't believe that even counts as food.
That's a lot of whining for someone who's behind bars.
Man, this is the worst.
Wait, don't forget the best part. Ketchup.
Ketchup? How does that remotely make this better?
Such a whiner. Oh, I forgot the decoration.
Great, that's definitely what this meal needs.
Oh, wait, don't forget about the rest of your meal. Your piece of white bread.
Fine, I guess I'll take this too.
Well, enjoy your meal then.
Ugh, I can't believe the food in here is so bad. Alright, time to try and choke this down. Here I go! I hope it doesn't kill me.
Oh, my sweet baby is so precious. Wait, what is that horrible stench? No, I can't have that in my prison. You're fired. Fired? But... Stop right there. Don't eat that. Here's better food. And don't forget your napkin.
No way! Look at all this delicious food! Burgers, Coke, all my favorites! Thanks, Mommy.
Of course, sweet baby.
Just gotta put these finishing touches on. Excuse me, hello?
Ugh, what do you want?
I'm here to visit my friend in prison.
Sure, I'll set the timer.
Hi, I miss you. Pick up your receiver and we can talk. Huh? My phone isn't working. Oh, smart. I'll use yours. You look so beautiful. Wait, why am I even bothering with this phone? I miss you so much. Me too, babe. You look so pretty. I love your hair. Wow, it's getting kind of windy in here.
Bah, get out of here.
Hey, I have a surprise for you. Watch this. Wow, how'd you do that? And those are my favorites. Also, I wrote you this song. Oh, I forgot I wanted to show you more magic. Here, watch this. Abracadabra. Oh my gosh, what's gonna happen? This is so exciting. Ta-da! I got this bunny for you. It's so cute! I love it! Now's my chance for the roses. Oh my gosh! Roses are my absolute favorite flower! Yes! Can we smooch? Oh no, I'm not ready for this at all! My breath! Oh, okay, good enough. Kissing time! Smooch!
Ah, looks like their time is up.
Oh no! I can't believe we're out of time already! No! Please don't leave me! I already miss you! So long! I'll think of you fondly. No!
Stop right there! That's right, I'm in charge here. And you've broken the rules and overstayed your welcome. Huh. And now there's a cell waiting just for you.
Oh my gosh! You're here now too! And now we'll have all the time together.
I told you what I need, and I need it now.
I'm so bored. There's nothing for me to do in here. Oh hey! Time to toss some paper into the wastebasket. Yes! Got in one! Better add a hash mark. I'm getting so good at this. And now to try a cool bank shot off the ceiling. Oh no! So loud!
What was that noise? Yes, I'm still here.
Oh, alright. I better hide the evidence.
This day... so much work.
Alright, time for some paddle paper. Time to finish off with a big shot!
Where did this come from? Oh, I will not stand for this.
Oh no! Quick! Pretend to be reading the paper.
What do you think you're doing?
Oh, hi Mom.
If you have time to play around, then you have time to clean. Get to work. I'm keeping my eyes on you.
Fine. I guess I better get started. Hey! Mom!
Oh, hold on. I'll be right back. You're done? Let me take a look. Let's see. Ooh, what about the bars of your cell?
Oh, must have missed those.
Back to work.
Prison is the worst. No, I don't want to eat those waffles.
Is he asleep? Yes, time to act.
Because I don't like fish on waffles.
Okay, here I go. Happy birthday, my sweet baby.
Wow, thank you, Mom. What a great cake and decorations. What do I want to wish for? Freedom, of course. I just want to hang out in a beautiful field. Yep, that's this year's wish for sure.
Yay! I can't believe my sweet baby is already 16. Oh, okay, here's a spoon. Go ahead and dig in. I can't wait for you to taste your cake. I really think you're gonna love it.
Huh? What's this in my cake? It looks like a little tube. Or a message?
You'd better open and see.
Let's see. The message says, "You're free." Oh my gosh! Is it serious? Am I really free?
Oh, come on. Let's enjoy your new freedom.
Thank you so much! Best birthday present ever! So long, prison!
Come on, let's go home. Would your mom put you in prison? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.